Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: Commenting C# Code, a guide to best practices and standards. Introduction. Commenting is an essential part of writing clean and maintainable code in any programming language, including C#. Proper comments provide valuable information to developers, making it easier to understand and maintain the code base. In C#, there is no single standard for commenting, but there are widely accepted best practices. In this tutorial, we'll explore the common conventions and standards for commenting C# code, including XML documentation comments. Single-line comments in C# are used to annotate code with brief explanations. They begin with two forward slashes, // and continue until the end of the line. These comments are typically used for short explanations or clarifications within the code. Example: multi-line comments are enclosed within /* and */ and can span multiple lines. These are often used for longer explanations or comments that span multiple lines of code. Example: XML documentation comments are a special form of comments in C# used for generating documentation automatically. These comments start with three forward slashes, // and can be used to document classes, methods, properties, and other code elements. They follow a structured format and can be processed by tools like Visual Studio to generate documentation. Example: here are some best practices to follow when commenting C# code. Let's illustrate the use of comments in C# with a simple program that calculates the factorial of a number. In this example, we've used XML documentation comments to document the factorial method, providing information about its purpose, parameters, and return value. We've also used single-line and inline comments to clarify the code within the method and in the main method. Conclusion: commenting your C# code using established conventions and standards, such as single-line, multi-line, and XML documentation comments, is essential for making your code understandable and maintainable. Following best practices ensures that your comments remain helpful and up-to-date throughout the development process. ChatGPT